Nvidia's blowout results really solidifies the AI hype cycle that we're in. I'm Susan Lee. I anchor in the world's three largest financial capitals on the three largest business networks on the planet. Not only did Nvidia make more money in sales in the springtime, then they got it for an even better summertime where sales will nearly triple from last year. So that's back-to-back quarters now that Nvidia has now blown the cover of Wall Street estimates for next quarter guidance by 30%, something that analysts say that they haven't ever seen before, even during the boom times for Apple with the iPod and heading into the iPhone, predicting $16 billion in sales in 3 months. You heard CEO, billionaire founder Jensen Huang on the earnings call talk about this massive transition to AI, artificial intelligence.
Call it $250 billion of capital spend each year. We're seeing that data centers around the world are taking that capital spend and focusing it on the two most important trends of computing today: accelerated computing and generative AI. And so I think this is not a near-term thing. This is a long-term industry transition.
Jensen was also asked about supply since they can sell everything they make. There's ultra high demand right now for Nvidia AI chips. You heard Elon Musk practically beg for more of them on the Tesla earnings call. Here's what Jensen had to say about the super high demand right now.
The world is transitioning from general purpose computing to accelerated computing. That's the easiest way to think about the demand, recognizing the beginning of this transition and diverting their capital investment to accelerated computing and generative AI.
Nvidia stock is already trading up 230% this year, more than tripling so far, sitting at a record high. And at this price, a lot of people on Wall Street say it looks expensive, especially if you're trading at 200 times this year's earnings. But as you know, a stock trades on future growth and profitability, so it's trading at a more reasonable 60 times next year's earnings. But consensus on Wall Street is that Nvidia is the way for investors to play the AI, artificial intelligence revolution that we're living through.